I've fallen. And
give a hoot. Don't pollute.
In the city on door.
We've been waiting for you.
We've been waiting for you.
Where the kisses are
Hers and his.
Three's company too. Come and dance on our floor.
Dance on our floor.
Take a step that is new.
Take a step that is new.
Leave a lovable space that needs your face. Three's company too.
Yeah?
Let's make a bet. I bet you, by the end of the show, your cat will have formed a totalitarian regime, invaded Poland, and committed mass genocide against the Jews.
Oh, good, Mr. Furley. And it's the finest quality. It's from Mexico.
For how much?
$50,000.
That's a bit much.
You're right. Let's play it safe. 50,000 pesos and my mother's life. I have faith in this cat. All day it's been plotting. He can almost taste Poland.
Let me think about it. Okay.
Seriously? Wise decision. Stupid son of a bitch.
Of course you could. And you wouldn't mind? Of course not. Are you sure? Don't be silly. Of course I'm sure.
Now, Mr. Furley thinks Jack's twin brother is the guy with the hat.
Come on, Tom Tom. Come on, Tom Tom. They almost solved the misunderstanding. Come on,
What?
Tom Tom. Oh, yeah. Okay, he'll do it. He'll do it. He's motivated. He's gonna come through. Come on, pussy. Come on, put it down. You go. No. Okay. A little longer. Yeah. All right. No. No. Do it. Follow through with your plans, man. You don't deserve to be called Führer. My money! My non-existent money!
It's okay. It's all right.
It is?
Yeah, I don't need it right now.
Thanks.
But the killing your mom thing? That's still happening. Now that I think about it, I'm gonna need the money too.
Mama! I'm sorry. I couldn't even pay for your funeral. That cat really looked like it had something going, you know? Mommy.
Can we go? We've been grieving for several minutes now. Cash calls are gonna close. Look at it this way. If Gary Coleman got a loan, so can you. Which reminds me, Different Strokes is on. Can we go?
Now the world don't move to the beat of just one drum. What might be right for you may not be right for some.